So, I was on my computer and it's like 11. It's almost 11:30, 12. It's almost 12 o'clock. And I heard some running around in the kitchen. Sure enough, there was a mouse, and I decided to clean up and vacuum the floors because they might be trying to eat the stuff left over when I was done cooking. So, sure enough, I vacuumed underneath and I caught a mouse. It's not still little, but he's slightly little. With my Dyson vacuum, I sure enough caught him. And you can see he's pretty small. Well, actually, yeah, he's pretty small. He's still alive though. He's still trying to run around. It's pretty nasty. But yeah, you guys are probably thinking, gosh, you're so mean. But it's like, it's 12 o'clock and I'm about to run to the freaking park. So, there's my temporary pet that I'm going to get rid of in a little bit. But yeah, if you guys are trying to catch a mouse, which is here, this one right here. Ugh, it's so nasty. Stay away from those. They don't really work. Just use the bigger yellow machine called Dyson. And there should be a new model coming out specifically catching mice. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I know I look like shit, but fuck it. I'm about to go to sleep. Good night. It's 12 o'clock. I'm fucking dropping off a mouse just in this vacuum. I hope he doesn't get out. I just heard some more shit, but there's a mouse, and I'm about to let him go, so... That's just awful. Right, I'm gonna head home.